Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Top 5 list. In this video, I want to show you the 5 best KitchenAid stand mixers. I discovered these goods benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Okay, let's watch the video. Number 1, KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Cutie Stand Mixer. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best. Material type, metal stainless steel. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best. The power hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with 5 Cutie stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough. This Artisan mixer is possibly a great purchase to match your personality. Apart from that, we found it greatly reduces mixing times. Apart from the attachments that are perfect for anything, including pizza dough, we love the glass mixing bowl with measurements down its side. This tilt head mixer allows you to easily add ingredients into the bowl, especially with cake batter. It has a capacity of 5 pounds, which is okay if you don't cook very large batches. However, we noticed it can beat or whip ingredients for a long time without overheating. The unit has a wire whip, dough hook, spray guard, and flat beater. Number 2, KitchenAid Professional 600 Stand Mixer. Turn your stand mixer into a culinary center with over 10. 6-quart stainless steel bowl with handle to mix up to 13 dozen. Bowl lift designed for sturdy bowl support when mixing heavy. 10 optimized speeds, powerful enough for nearly any task or recipe. After purchasing this mixer, we made use of the power hub by shredding a block of the best Parmesan cheese at the preliminary test. Safe to say we were very happy with the performance. Be it mashed potatoes, whipping cream, or kneading bread dough, this stand mixer is the perfect countertop appliance. This 6-quart bowl lift stand mixer is dishwasher safe. We also found that you can accommodate at least 13 dozen cookie dough batches. The team loved the speed of this mixer. With 67 touch points per rotation, it is fast enough to whip, fold, and beat any ingredient into a manageable mass. The package comes with a pouring shield, wire whip, flat beater, and a dough hook. Number 3, KitchenAid Classic Series Stand Mixer, 4.5Q. Built to take it all on with a durable and built to last metal. 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl to mix up to 8 dozen cookies in a. Easily add ingredients with the tilt head design, because you'll 10 speeds for nearly any task or recipe, from mixing ingredients. 10 plus attachments to make more with your mixer to make everything. After a few uses, everyone loved how the bowl lift stand mixer mixes dry and wet ingredients separately, and we were not disappointed. For added adjustability, the power hub is equipped to handle different attachments, including a pasta maker and meat grinder. The 4.5-quart mixing bowl can handle dough for at least 3 loaves of bread. Additionally, it has 10 speed settings that can handle any ingredient, including whipped cream. To top it off, this is one of the KitchenAid mixers that's super affordable, and you won't break the bank to cook or bake your favorite foods. The unit comes with a coated dough hook, coated flat beater, and 6-wire whip. Number 4, KitchenAid 8-quart Commercial Countertop Mixer. The KitchenAid KSM 8990 MP 8-quart stand mixer is a large. The bowl lift design provides sturdy bowl support for stability. The 10-speed slide control ranges from a very fast whip to a very. Get professional results with the 1.3 horsepower motor enabling your mixer. The commercial mixer is NSF certified and includes power. As we use the mixer, the first thing that stands out is the bowl lift design. The design will make it easier for you to mix heavier ingredients like thick cookie dough. Additionally, we love the 10-speed slide control that alternated between a very fast whip to a slow whip. The stainless steel bowl on this stand mixer is easy to clean because it is dishwasher safe and equipped to handle more than 8 pounds. We also noticed a quiet motor on the mixer. It is quieter than most other mixers in the market. We compared it to. This commercial and countertop mixer comes with a flat beater, stainless steel bowl, 11-wire whip, and spiral dough hook attachments. Number 5, KitchenAid 7-quart Pro Line Stand Mixer. Largest capacity residential bowl lift stand mixer available. Includes power knead spiral dough hook, flat beater, and 16-cup flour-powered capacity professional bowl lift design 7 cutie. Stainless steel bowl. This series is the largest capacity stand mixer in the KitchenAid series. Of course, we had to put that to the test more than a few times. After mixing cookie dough, we found it could comfortably hold 8 pounds, translating to 14 dozen cookies for the team. Needless to say, everyone was pleased. The professional bowl lift design will give stability to heavier ingredients. We loved how the bowl size also creates the perfect condition for multiple ingredients. Most chefs and bakers will love this commercial stand mixer as it has a soft start and tilt head mixer. When you purchase this mixer, it comes with a flat metal beater, wire whip, and power knead spiral dough hook. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.